How's it going, guys? This is Forensic Forex with Deontay, and I'm back with another video. This is your daily update on Australian dollar versus the US dollar. And as we can see, we have a small range candle today. So in the future, we can suspect a large range candle to appear. And we're not talking about the wicks, we're only referring to the bodies of the candle. Larry Williams says anytime you get a small range candle, odds are the next day you may get a large dynamic day. And that's what I normally like to wait for. So tomorrow may be a very volatile day and we get a large day. And it's Wednesday, normally ideal to trade on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. So we'll see what happens tomorrow, but I'm speculating a large range day tomorrow to the downside. If we get it to the upside, I would just look at that as the commercials repositioning themselves and increasing their net shorts, a counter trend candle. Here we can see price broke the swing high and broke the swing low. At this point now, I'm just looking for sell side liquidity. I want price to keep breaking down. Any pullbacks will be suspected as repositioning to go short. Here on the intraday and just show it on the weekly perspective. So if we were to look at what it looks like, currently price was above the weekly open. So price made the high today during London, and we'll break that down briefly here because someone wanted me to show them some intraday setups. If you're in the channel or you're in the chat, I normally show my perspective here, but the daily update videos are just quick ideas of where the daily draw is going to most likely reach for and where price is going to reach for the rest of the month. That's the idea of this. I'm not here to sit down and break down intraday setups. I think many of you guys are definitely intelligent enough to find and use the data that's out there to comprehend where price action is going to go on the lower time frames. But this example, briefly, this is Tuesday. There was a short setup here. Where was the short setup most likely occurring? Above the weekly open and during one of the sessions. Here you can see price takes out the Asian session high. And we'll break this down on the 15-minute. Put it on the session. Price takes out the 15-minute swing high or the Asian session high. Here is where you get the entry. So if you scale down to the 1 minute or the 5 minute, there's some fair value gap here that allowed you to get that short opportunity to where we are currently in price. So you can see we're breaking down. We even got that London close reversal above the weekly open. So London close starts at 10 a.m. It opens above 10 a.m., moves above it in a premium, moves above a premium for the day itself and the week itself. You got many confluences to tell you that London close most likely was going to give you a nice sell-off. You can see here though, after that 15-minute swing high or the Asian session high was broken, I'll take this off. You get this fair value gap to the downside here. You also have one here. You also have one here. So you have many opportunities to go in the marketplace short. I'll just mark them off briefly so you guys can see. That was one there. There was another one here. And you're most likely going to enter on these trades going right into that zone, and you either have a stop loss of either 10, 15, 20 pips, and then you ride it to the downside. And you can see price broke down, ran below midnight opening price because it's in a premium for the day. Right here is midnight. You can clearly see it's above the midnight opening price, not this dashed line. This dashed line is the weekly opening price, Sunday's opening price. But here is midnight opening price. It's almost on the same line as Sunday's opening price. And you can see it pulls up into a premium. Many confluences. And even for its session itself, what does it do at 2 a.m.? It pulls price above the 2 a.m. opening price. European open, it's above there. Many confluences to tell you to go short. But how did I arrive to the idea of me going short? The daily time frame. That's what I'm showing you guys here with the daily updates. Why is Deontay going short? Why is Deontay going long? Why is he switching his bias from bullish to bearish? That's why I like trading on the higher time frames. The lower time frames is for you to pinpoint an entry point. You can trade on the higher time frames, but if you're looking to take less risks, you scale down, you find an entry point, and you ride it out for 10, 30 pips or more. London close, reversal. Now, I just want to talk about DXY briefly. So you can see after covering that liquidity void here, we got that pullback. But where is price pulling back to? Below the weekly opening price. And we'll draw that out here because we have the weekly opening price right here. That's Sunday's opening price. This red line that I'm drawing out, the same idea with this day. Midnight opening price, premium discount. The same thing is occurring above this price point. Where's price above around this line? Below. And where does it do it? During the New York session. Look how it drops down below midnight opening price. It's a premium, right? And drops down into a discount. Drops down below weekly opening price here, this red line, discount. So you got double confluences for the day. You're below midnight opening price and you're below the weekly opening price. So that's SOP. Just as a quick acronym, Sunday's opening price. And look what happens. It pulls down here. What happens here? 10 a.m. London close reversal. Right? You got that London close reversal. Normally don't want to spend too much time on these update videos. They're supposed to be quick and brief videos. So you can see, look at the London close here, because I was telling the channel today. London close was most likely going to give you a continuation or reversal. And where most likely is price going to draw to? Maybe the Asian session high that it left open, because it's buy side here. You took the sell side out, they left the buy side open, London close reversal. You can also see the same thing occurring for EU. And all this is in the channel. London close, and put it in orange. Look at the reversal. It takes out the high of the day, and where would it most likely reach down for? Possibly down here. The sell side liquidity below the Asian session low that they left open. You go to GU, and I showed these intraday setups here. I had that 15-minute fair value gap that I was looking to go short in, and as you can see, it's melting here. What is it most likely going to aim for? That Asian session low. Where is price relative to where price is right now? It's above midnight opening price, and it's now crossing back below midnight opening price. So look what they're doing. They're selling in a premium. Hopefully this answers that person's comment in the last intraday daily updates about showing some intraday setups. That's how I do it. Every day, nothing changes. The ideology stays the same. Premium discount. What's my range? What's my daily draw? What's my weekly draw? And IPTA. Hopefully this was insightful. Peace.